Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on CoinStats. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in coinstats.app and press enter. You will now be taken into the CoinStats website, from which if you haven't signed into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the top right corner, which you can click on and then proceed with using your credentials to log in. After logging into your account, you will be taken into this homepage, from which if you wish to change your profile picture, you can tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and then click on your username. Now this will take you into your profile page, from which underneath personal data, you will be shown your profile. Alongside your profile, you will also be shown your profile photo, and in order to change this, simply click on the camera icon underneath your profile picture. You will then see upload new photo. Click on this. And now you can upload a photo from your computer or your smartphone. Just select the picture that you want to use as your profile picture, and this will immediately be set as your profile image. If you wish to change your profile picture again, you can simply click on the edit button and then click on upload new photo, or you can also delete it by clicking on delete photo. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your profile picture on CoinStats. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.